बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अहले बैठक की जानिब से तमाम मेहमानों की खिदमत में आदाब। आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि रुखसत होते हुए साल 2019 में दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद किए जाने वाले 10 हज़रात कौन कौन रहे। तो आइए आज की बैठक शुरू करते हैं। YouGov के जारी करदा आदादो शुमार के मुताबिक 2019 में जिन हज़रात को दुनिया भर में सबसे ज़्यादा पसंदीदगी हासिल रही, उनमें 10वें नंबर पर रूस के व्लादिमीर पुतिन रहे। नवे नंबर पर फुटबॉलर लियोनेल मेसी।
Something to be admired, I have to say. Well, there's three of them round. He's still going. Look at this, Kevin. It's a brilliant run from Messi. Did he go all the way? It's one of the great Copa del Rey final goals from the magical.
And you have the advantage. Messi on Laure. Messi!
Lionel Messi! Barcelona at the top of their footballing tree once again, and Lionel Messi is their giant sequoia.
Here's Messi, away from 2, 3, 4. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. How good is he? A near supernatural goal from
Now is Messi. Brilliantly done. Oh, it's glorious. Goal number 231 as he closes in.
From Messi. Goalkeeper! You're just lost for words. He is just brilliant.
2 or 3 others, he's left them for dead. Unbelievable balance, strength, skill, ability.
This man is absolutely mainline to pure footballing in.
step up and 5.
8वें नंबर पर तिब्बत के रूहानी पेशवा दलाई लामा। 7वें नंबर पर फुटबॉलर क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो। 6ठे नंबर पर भारत के नरेंद्र मोदी। 5वें नंबर पर चीनी बिजनेसमैन जैक मा।
China's richest man, with an estimated worth of $38 billion. The 55-year-old is the co-founder of the e-commerce giant Alibaba. Here's how Jack Ma makes and spends his billions. The billionaire is truly self-made. Ma started out as an English teacher, where he made just $12 a month. Harvard University rejected him 10 times, and he was turned down for jobs at an estimated 30 companies, including KFC. But with the introduction of the internet, Ma saw an opportunity. And with no tech or business background, he founded Alibaba with the help of 17 friends in 1999. The digital marketplace connected Chinese customers with manufacturers. Alibaba's start was initially rocky, facing the dot-com bubble burst in 2000, and competition from eBay's Chinese venture, EachNet. But with some help from investments from Yahoo, the company found its feet by the mid-2000s. Then in 2014, Alibaba went public in what was the largest IPO in US history, and the sale made Ma the richest man in China.
चौथे नंबर पर चीन के सदर जी जिनपिंग। तीसरे नंबर पर हॉलीवुड अदाकार जैकी चैन। दूसरे नंबर पर साबिक अमरीकी सदर बाराक ओबामा। जबकि इस फहरिस्त में पहले नंबर पर यानी दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा काबिल तारीफ ठहराई जाने वाली शख्सियत माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के मालिक बिल गेट्स रहे।